Hi, welcome back to Let's Try Craft. Today we are trying to make baseball cap gift boxes. This will be the end result, and to make that, this is what I use. This time I got my design from Etsy.com. I'll put the link down below. After downloading it, you will get a zip file. You extract the zip file and we upload the SVG format to Cricut Design Space. In this zip file, you will receive two sizes, which is the large and the small baseball caps. After uploading, we proceed to cutting with your Cricut or whatever cutting machine you have. After cutting, we take the base of the hat. There will be two pieces, so we are sticking both of them together. What I'm doing now is simply folding at the dotted line. Thankfully, this download came with the dotted lines. Next, we are going to glue the small squares together, which is the body of the cap. Placing the glue on the straight edge and connecting that to the jagged edge of another square. And you should have 6 squares, so simply adding hot glue and doing the same until they are connected. Now we are attaching the hexagon to the base of the cap. I attached one side at a time to ensure that it was placed properly on the base of the cap. So then we continue doing this for all 6 sides until it's firmly attached to the base. Now it's time for the top of the cap. I placed the glue on the jagged end. I also tried the smoother end. What I found to be easier is placing the glue on the jagged end, but half at a time, because with the hot glue, before I was able to attach the entire jagged end to the smooth end, it was dried. So I recommend placing glue on the top half and then the bottom half. So after attaching all 6 sides, we place the small hexagon on top to complete the look of the hat. Now for the brim of the hat, just put some glue on it and attach it to the front. place the extra hexagon on the inside just to give it a finished look. And your hat is almost complete. Instead of using the baseball design that came in the download, I got a Jordan lookalike from creativefabrica.com. I'll put the link below, and this is what I use on my hat, and this is the finished look. I also tried the large cap, which was the same process. Very quick design, easy to do, simple. And I also, with a pen, drew in little strokes to make it look like stitches. So it's up to you if you want to add that, but I think it finished the look of the hat, it completed the look of the hat. So let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Be sure to subscribe, like and share. Thank you. Bye.